Hello, my name is Jake Stevens, and for my 5112 term project, I made Stratego. So once you run the code, here's the main menu, and you can press 2 to get the help screens. On the help screens, you can go back and forth seeing the basic rules and the different controls for the game itself, plus an explanation of what the game looks like. Then you press back to go back to the main game, and you can press 1 to start the main game. In the main game, players take turns placing pieces, like so, and you press the number of the piece, or for certain cases like Marshall, you press M, flags, you press F, and bombs, you press B. After you're done placing all your pieces, you can press S, and the end turn button comes up. Now it's the other player's turn. They press their pieces, place their pieces, and once they're done, they press S again. Now it's this player's turn. He moves pieces like so, and so once he's done, end turn comes up. You press end turn, and your pieces go blank. All the pieces go blank. And once you're done, then you pass the computer to the other player, who then presses next turn, and his pieces come up. Pieces fight when, like so, and the pieces are revealed for a little bit before disappearing. Then that player presses end turn, and you keep moving like so until one player takes the flag. And once the flag is taken, one of the players win. So once that happens, you have to exit out and rerun the program. And now for the peer-to-peer. I'm going to be running peer-to-peer with this computer. I already copied their IP address there. And when you run peer-to-peer, a little window comes up that asks you for the opponent's IP address. And basically, you can find your IP address at ifconfig.me or another way if you want. And you just type that into that box, press enter, and you're good to go. So in peer-to-peer, when the player who goes second presses P, and then the other player makes a move, and that corresponds. So when the next player is about to make his move, the other player presses P to initialize the server, and then the next player makes his move. So you keep going back and forth until one player wins. And fighting works the same. Both pieces can fight, as you can see. And so on this screen, you're blue, and both times you're blue. However, the opponent's red, and you keep moving back and forth until one player wins. And that's my game.